Hello everyone, welcome to NTV BlitZ. This is Nizam. This is my tutorial video number 5. Before I start, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts or any comments, please do comment below. Alright, so let's start. First I'm starting with construction line. Command for construction line is XL enter, and there are few ways to draw a construction line. A construction line is an infinite line, there is no start or end. So let's see. XL enter. After that there are ways: horizontal, vertical, angular and offset. So first let's see horizontal. For horizontal it is H enter, and then you can see all lines will be in horizontal. Same way XL enter, and instead of horizontal we are checking for vertical lines. So for vertical it's V enter, and then you can see all lines will be vertical. Alright, so next thing is angular. So XL enter. For angle it is A enter, and after that you can mention what angle you need. So if I need 60 degrees, I give 60 enter, and then a 60 angle construction line will be drawn. Same way if I need a negative 60, so XL enter, then minus 60, and you can see XL enter, A enter, and then minus 60. Alright, that is one way. The next thing is offset. So let's say I have a line over here, so XL enter, then O enter for offset, and then I need to give a offset distance. So let's give 80 units. So then I have to select an object. So I'm selecting this object, and I need to select which side I need. So if I select this side, 80 units apart. Same way if I need to select this again, this side. Alright, I select this side, and you can go on. And if you need to change the offset value, you can just click enter, and then you can again go to XL, then O, and then you need to mention which how much units you need. Okay, so next thing is extend. So let's say there's few lines. Okay, and then there's a line over here, so you need to extend this line towards the end. So for the command for extend is EX. Okay, this is the same way as trim. So we can select a boundary line. Let's say this is a line I'm selecting as a boundary, and then I need to extend this line. Okay, after selecting the boundary, I give enter again, and then I can select this object and it comes straight to that boundary. Alright, or you can just give EX enter, and then again enter, so there's no boundary. So you can see each time I try to extend, it extends to the next line. Okay, there's no more other line, so I cannot extend further, so it will go to infinity. So there's no extend towards the infinity. If there's a line or there's stop, I can extend towards it. The next thing is line type. So you can see over here in the ribbons, this is the line type. By default it will be by layer, and the other ways to draw lines, that is dashed to. This is ISO way to draw few things while drawing a plan. Let's say for shades, so for sunshades or roofs and all, we use dash 2. Okay, for that you can just go to in properties. Alright, and you can see over here, you can select for selecting other types, you can go to by layer and then other, and then there'll be a lot of, you can just give load, and then there'll be a lot of ways to draw lines. Okay, from this you can select dashed to dashed 5x. That is the line which is used to draw roofs or sunshades, or while we draw a plan, if something is drawn above that and we need to show it, we use dashed to dashed 5x. Alright, there are the other lines too, you can go through this and you can select. Alright, and let's say I'm just selecting dashed 2. Alright, and then I'm going to draw a line. Okay, you can see the difference, right? If it is by layer, see, it's continuous, but in dash 2 it is not. So if by default you will not be able to see these dashed line, it will be like this. Okay, same as a straight line. So if you need to see a dashed line, what you need to do is you have to go to line type scale. Okay, for line type scale it is LTS, enter. After that the default value will be 1. You can change to the value which you need. So I'm just going to give 150. See, when I gave 150, the lines became 2 dashed. Okay, and same way you can just give any other values. If I give 50, you can see how it changes. Alright, the next thing is join. Alright, so let's say there are few lines over here, one line, okay, and then there's few other lines. Okay, after that I'm going to trim few lines over here. Okay, so after trimming, you think that you need to join these 2 lines again. Okay, for that the command is J enter. Alright, to join the lines. Same way you can join these lines to J enter. Alright, it doesn't always have to be trimmed. There are 2 lines straight ways, and if you need to join them, you can use the command J enter. Alright, this is for today's tutorial. See you in my next class. Now you know what to do next. Like my video. If you have any doubts or comments, please do comment below. Subscribe to my channel, and also please do share it. Alright, bye.